Okay, I would like to show you something that's really awesome that you can do in Photoshop. I'm coming into the View menu and I'm going to create a new guide layout. Let's do 3 by 3. Right there. And I'm going to put 3 photos of people in the center here. I'm going to make sure that Snap to Guides is checked. And then I'm going to grab my rectangular marquee tool, select that first area, and you'll notice that my selection snapped right to the guide. So now I can go and find a photo of a person, open that up. I can select all of it, copy, and then when I come back in here with my marching ant still going, I can go into the edit menu, and instead of doing a paste, I'm going to come into paste special, paste into, click OK, and that has put that picture inside an unlocked mask, which means I can do a free transform on it. And move that picture wherever I want within that selection. All right. So now I can go and get I can get an eye line going here with a guide. Okay. And I will select my next area. Go grab another picture, select all, copy, go in here and then paste special, paste into, free transform, resize, and I can align those eyes just like that. Anyway, I thought this would be very helpful to you.